Yes. So according to the given question, the sum of rupees 2800 is to be used to award 4 prizes. So total is 2800, number of prizes are 4. So according to the given data, Sn is equal to 2800. So it tells that it is to be used to award the 4 prizes. Number of prizes are 4. Very clearly, n is equal to 4. That means sum of 4 prizes is 2800. N is 4. The sum of rupees 2800 is to be used to award the 4 prizes. Full stop. If each prize after the first is 200 rupees less. See, for example, if the first prize is A, okay, then what will be the second prize? Second prize will be 200 rupees less. 200 rupees less than the first prize. Similarly, third prize will be what? It will be 200 rupees less for the second prize. So A minus 200. This is the second prize. For this 200 rupees less. So that means third prize will become A minus 400. Similarly, the fourth prize will become A minus 600 because it is 200 rupees less for the third prize. So first prize is A, second prize is A minus 200, third prize is A minus 400 and fourth prize is A minus 600. So this can be solved by 2 methods. I will do both the methods. Here very clearly as given sum of all the 4 prizes. That means the sum of first prize plus second prize, third prize and fourth prize. Sum of all the 4 prizes is how much? Rupees 2800. This is what the textbook int method. Okay, I'll solve it after by using the formula also. So this is a textbook method where the int is been given. Instead of A, we might have taken X. So first prize is A, second prize is A minus 200, third prize is A minus 400, fourth prize is A minus 600. It is very clearly given that the sum of all the 4 prizes is how much? 2800. So this will become A plus A minus 200 plus A minus 400 plus A minus 600 is equal to 2800. So A plus A plus A plus A, I'll get you 4A. Minus 200 minus 400 is minus 600. Minus 600 minus 600 is minus 1200, which is equal to 2800. No doubt, all are divisible with 4. So when I divide with 4, I will get A minus 4 3 times. This will become 300. 4 how many times, sir? 5 times is 20, 6 times is 24, 7 times, 700. Send 300 that side, that is variable one side, constant one side. A is equal to 700 plus 3. So A, which is the first prize, will be of rupees 1000. Okay, A is the first prize, which is of rupees 1000. Second prize is what? Second prize is what? A minus 200. That is 1000. That is 1000 minus 200. So second prize will be how much? Rupees 800. So second prize is what? A minus 200. That is 1000 minus 200 will give you 800. What is the third prize? Third prize, it is A minus 400. That is 1000 minus 400. So the third prize is how much rupees? 600. Okay. Then fourth prize, that is A minus 600. that is 1000 minus 600. So therefore the fourth price is rupees 400. Very clearly, the first price is 1000 rupees, second price is 800 rupees, third price is 600 rupees, and the fourth price is 400 rupees. I'll repeat again. As per the given question, the sum of means total. So total, the sum of all the four prices. So number of prices is 4. Sum of all the four prices is 2800. Okay, and very clearly has given that each price after the first price is 200 rupees less. Suppose if I take first price as rupees A, second price will become A minus 200. Third price will become what? Second price minus 200. That is A minus 200 minus 200 will give you A minus 400. Fourth price will be what? Third price minus 200. That will give you A minus 600. So this problem is been solved as per the hint given in the textbook. What he has given? He has taken the sum of all the prices is equal to 2800. So when I remove the bracket, I'll get A plus A minus 200, A minus 400 plus A minus 600 is equal to 2800. All the A's are positive. If I add, I'll get 4A. And I add minus 200, minus 400, minus 600, I'll get minus 1200, which is equal to 2800. So these equation can be divisible by 4. So when I divide, 4A will become A, this will become 300, this will become 700. Write variable one side, constant on the other side. Thereby I'll get A value as rupees 100. A is nothing but the first price. Then second price is equal to what? A minus 200. That is, 1000. 1000 minus 200 will become 800. That is the second price. So first price I got 1000 rupees. Second price 800. And the third price is what? A minus 400. That is 1000 minus 400 will give you 600. The fourth price is A minus 600. That is 1000 minus 600 will give you rupees 400. Yes. Now, if I write the general form of arithmetic progression, I'll get A first term, A plus D plus A plus of 2D, right, and A plus of 3D, since we have the 4 terms. So A is the first term and the second term will be A plus of minus 200, right. Then third term will be A plus of 2 times of 200 plus A plus of 3 times of minus 200. Now very clearly A is the first term which we don't have. So common difference is equal to what? Okay, any term minus preceding term. A plus into minus 200 plus A. So the common difference D will be what? Minus 200. Or very clearly as given here, see, if the each price after the first price is rupees 200 less, so less refers negative, so common difference will become minus 200. Either way also you can find. So A is, we don't know, common difference is minus 200, then N is equal to what? 4 prices. So which formula we use? Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So sum of all the prices, Sn already he has given. Sum of all the 4 prices, S4 is equal to 4 by 2 of 2 times of A, we don't know, plus n is what? 4 minus 1. What is a D? Minus 200. What is S4? Sum of all the 4 is how much? 2800. 2800 is equal to 1 time, 2 times 2 of 2A plus 3 into minus 200. Right? Yes? Now copy down up to this. Now here, if I send it to this side, 2800 divided by 2 is equal to 2a minus, so plus into minus, 3 into 200 is 600. 2 1 time, 2 14 times. Okay, that means 2a minus 600 is equal to 1400. No doubt this can be divided with 2. So I will get a minus 300 is equal to 700. So a is equal to how much? If I send 300 that side, I will get 1000. A is the first price. Yes, A is the first price, that is 1000. What will be the second price? Second price is what? A minus 200. Second price is what? A plus into minus. A minus 200, which is equal to 1000 minus 200, which is equal to rupees 800. Rupees 800. What is the third price? A, third price, A plus into minus, 2 into 4, 400, minus 400, which is equal to 1000 minus 400, which is equal to rupees 600. Then fourth price, it is I can write 600 minus 200, or I can write A minus 600, because plus into minus, 3 into 200 is 600, which is equal to 1000 minus 600, which is equal to rupees 4. Okay, this is the actual method.